Staging now. That was fun. That was a lot of fun, man. I was out on him. That's the first time I've ever got out on him. Man. And he's all-wheel drive, so it's not like I have some advantage with the four-wheel, you know. And my 2007 LMM I had that was twin turbo, that one had four-wheel drive as well, but the one time I raced it here at Firebird, well, it's now called Wild Horse Pass, I didn't have the front end built, so I couldn't launch in four-wheel, and I would just blow the rear tires off. Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
14.328 at 92.7. That was pretty good. And my 60 foot, let's see, 60 foot, 1.97, so I'm under 2. And my 8th mile was 9.055 at 75.49.